Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can delete your Sweatcoin account permanently. So firstly, open the Sweatcoin app on your device. Then you'll be led to the home screen, and in the top left corner, you'll see an icon with your profile picture or your initial. Tap on that icon. Then you'll be led to your profile section. In the top right corner again, you'll see a settings icon. Tap on the icon. Then on the last option, you'll see delete account. Tap on it and you'll be led to a page as to how you can delete your account. After reading the instructions mentioned in the screen itself, tap on contact us below. Then tap on the drop down button of choose your problem and you'll see delete account on the last option. Tap on it. On the screen you'll then see the procedure to delete your account. The procedures are clearly mentioned on the screen. As shown, enter the reason as to why you want to delete your account in the enter a reason field. Then press on the send button in the top right corner. After that, you'll be sent an email in the email account associated with Sweatcoin app. Open the email and you'll see an email like this. If you scroll downwards, you'll see a link. Press the link if you have requested the deletion of your account, and after pressing the link, you're confirming to delete your account. As shown on the screen, your Sweatcoin account linked to mobile number and email ID will be permanently deleted within the next 48 hours. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.